In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix that action can't be completed error on Windows 10 and Windows 11. So, if you're trying to delete a file or folder and Windows says the file is open in another program, then this video will help you fix it quickly. So let's jump straight into it. First, try deleting the file that's causing the issue. You'll usually see a message saying, "The action can't be completed because the file is open in another program." To fix this, open the Start menu and search for Run. Now open the Run app. Inside the Run box, type resmon.exe and then click OK. This will open the Resource Monitor tool. Once it opens, click on the CPU tab at the top. Now look for the section called Associated Handles. Inside the search box, type the name of the file you're unable to delete. For example, if your file name is Riot Games, just type Riot Games and press Enter. Windows will now search for processes that are currently using that file. Once you see the results, look carefully and make sure the file path matches the file you want to delete. Now right-click on the process using the file and click End Process. A warning message may appear. Just click End Process again to confirm. After that, close Resource Monitor. Now go back and try deleting the file again. This time, the file should delete normally without showing the error message. So that's how you can easily fix that action can't be completed because the file is open error on Windows 10 and Windows 11. If this video helped you out, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more Windows tutorials and fixes.